Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about variation functions. The first topic we have direct variation. So the equation for direct variation is given by y equal kx, where k is the constant of variation. Constant of variation. In this one, y varies directly as x. When you are reading it as y varies directly as x, y varies directly as x, and k is the constant of variation. Now this line is very important. Now if I say x varies directly as y, then you will write it as x equal ky. If I say p varies directly as q, then you will write P equal KQ. If I say R varies directly as T, then you will write R equal KT. And this is the only important thing in this type. So if you can read the question, then you can write the equation for direct variation. Okay. Now first question we have, if y is equal 4x, this is given information, and if x is equal 6, how much will be y? So you have the information y equal 4x given, x equals 6, how much will be y? So y is equal 4. Just simply substitute the value of x and you will get y is equal 24 as your answer. This is the simplest question that you will see on direct variation. Now question number 2, if you have y is equal 6x and y is equal 12, then how much will be x? Now in this case you will substitute the value of y here, and how you will do it, divide by 6 both sides. That will give you x is equal 2. 12 divided 6 will give you x equal 2. Now let's try to see some difficult questions. So the question we have here, let's say example 1, it says if y varies directly as x. Okay, so the equation will be y equal kx, right? And you have given y equal 15 when x is equal -5. This is one information. Now what you have to do is you have to find y when x is equal 7. So the question is clear, right? This is your equation, y equal kx. From first information, y equal 15, k I don't know, x is equal -5. You solve this and you will get k as -3. You will divide -5 both sides, you will get k equal -3, right? Now you have to find y. Y is equal kx again, right? So y is equal, k is -3, x is 7, and that will give you -21. So y equal -21 will be your answer. This is your method 1. Now if you want to try with method 2, so in this question if you want to try method 2, then how you will solve this? So since the constant of variation will be same in both the cases, so use a proportion. What you will do? Use a proportion So that proportion will say y1 over x1 is equal y2 over x2. Now what is y1 x1, what is y2 x2, that you will have to see in the question. Since the constant of variation, this will be same for both the equation, that is why it is y1 over x1 equal y2 over x2. Okay. Now first information is considered as y1 x1, so this will be y1 x1 and this is y2 x2. Okay. Now y1 15, x1 minus 5, y2 I don't know, x2 is 7. From here you will do the cross product, okay, or else you can just simply solve it. So either you do the cross product or you just solve it, okay. So 15 divide minus 5, that will give you minus 3, and this 7 will come here as a cross product equal y2, or you can write y2 equal negative 21. So as you can see, in both way we are getting the same answer. Okay, now let's try one more question. Question number 2. If r varies directly as t, this is the given information. Okay, so my equation is r equal kt. If I want to write in proportion, r1 over t1 is equal r2 over t2, right? The second thing we have, when sorry okay, yes, r equal negative 20 when t is equal 4. So let's give it as name r1 t1, and find r, so let's give it as r2 when t is negative 6. So let's give it as t2. These are the things which I have given, r1 t1, r2 t2. Now you can substitute here. R1 is negative 20 over 4 is equal R2 over negative 6. Negative 20 over 4 will give you negative 5 is equal R2 over negative 6. Now you take this information from here to here, cross product. Negative negative will be positive. 5 multiplied 6 will be 30 is equal R2, or you can say R2 is equal 30. So that's it for this video. You can try a few questions by yourself and see you in the next video.